Stop. Look at your today's PNL right now. If it's red, it's not because you are a bad trader, it's because you fell for this trap. Nifty opened with a 60-point gap up today, only to suffocate option bias in a tiny sideways 110 point range. This is the death zone where forced trades turn into revenge trading, and revenge trading kills accounts. While the crowd was giving their money to the market, I stayed calm and booked a profit in stocks using one specific rule. I call it the primary filter. It is the only thing that separates a professional who protects capital from a gambler who loses it all to decay. If you are tired of falling into these sideways traps and want to learn how to identify no trade zones before they wipe you out, hit that subscribe button right now. In this video, I am breaking down the Nifty 11 Feb analysis and showing you exactly how to apply this filter so you never take a forced trade again. Let's get into it. Before discussing about that primary filter, what I was saying, we will first see examples of those forced trades. See here, this one is a setup for three candle theory. One second, I will just show you. First candle, second candle, third candle, right? Second candle broke the low of the first candle, closed above high, low of the first candle. Third candle has respected low. At high of this particular setup, trade was initiated, but see what happened. Your stop loss would have got hit. Again, there was another opportunity formed. See here. First candle, second candle, third candle. One second. Yes. Again a three candle theory setup. See here. At high of this candle, if the trade was initiated, your stop loss would have got hit in successive candles. This was for put chart. Now let's move to the call charts also. See here. Perfect three candle setup. First candle, second candle, third candle. Second candle broke low, closed above low of the first candle. Third candle respected low. If trade was taken here, your stop loss would have got hit, right? Again, if you see, here was another opportunity for this particular trade. One second, I will just show you. Yes, this was the opportunity. First candle, second candle, third candle, three candle theory. At high, if trade got executed, your stop loss would have got hit in successive candles. So these are some of the examples of call and put trades where if you have took a trade, your stop loss would have hit and you have made a losses. Correct? Now let's move to the which primary filter we are talking about. See, what is our rule? We should look for the setup that is a three candle theory. That setup should be a candle arrangement. First point, candle arrangement for the setup. Second is volume confirmation for the setup. And third one is EMA confirmation for that particular setup. See here, there is a candle confirmation is available, right? First candle, second candle, third candle, three candle theory. Volume confirmation was also there. First candle, second candle, third candle, right? But what about the EMA confirmation? What is our EMA confirmation? We will take a trade, buy trade when 20 EMA is trending above 50 EMA and both are trending upwards. What is happening here? See, both are trending downwards. And what you have done? You took a buy trade. That is the reason why ultimately your stop loss would have got hit. Again, see here, same logic. First rule, candle arrangement for any setup. Candle arrangement is there, right? Volume confirmation is also there. Green candle has the highest volume. But what about EMA confirmation? Here also there is no EMA confirmation. If you would have took a trade, Your stop loss would have got hit in this particular trade also. Let's move to the call chart. Same example. See, here there was a perfect candle arrangement for three candle theory. Volume confirmation was also there. Green candle has highest volume, but there was no EMA confirmation here also. See here, volume confirmation was there. Candle confirmation is also there, but EMA confirmation was not there. Again, see, and that is exactly what I mean by primary filter. Our primary filter is EMA confirmation for any trade. Always remember this. Whenever you are looking for your setup, any setup, three candle theory, inside candle setup, or any other setup which you trade, always look for the primary filter, and that primary filter is 2050 EMA. If 2050 EMAs are trending upwards, 20 EMA is above 50 EMA, then you will go for the buy trade. If 2050 EMAs are trending downwards, 20 EMA is below 50 EMA, then you will look for the sell setup and take a short trade. Remember, so our primary filter will always be EMA confirmation, that is 2050 EMA. Remember this particular point. So if you have avoided forced trade today, there was no trade, and you would have lost, you would have saved your capital, right? Which would have helped you to make profit in a trending market. Now, most traders would look at this Nifty decay and keep fighting it, hoping for a breakout that never comes. That is how you end up in the revenge trading loop. But here is the secret of a professional. When the primary filter says no to Nifty options, you don't stop trading. You shift your focus. While Nifty was stuck in that 110 point death zone, specific stocks were breaking out with clear volume. By following the Nifty analysis but executing on stocks, I managed to pull out a minor profit while option buyers were busy losing their capital to time decay. Let me show you the exact stock setups that worked today and why they were safer the option buying force trades. Let's move to the stock trades now. Let's change our setup to 15-minute time frame. This one is a KEI industry stock. See, on 15-minute time frame, this was our inside candle setup. Forget about inside candle. Is our primary filter is applicable or is it valid here? Yes, primary filter is clear. 20 MA and 50 MA are trending upwards. First candle, mother candle has the highest volume. So I took a trade at high of this particular candle. Low was my stop loss. But see what happened. Trade got executed in this candle. Now stock reversed and closed below 20 MA. So what I done? I I have shifted my SL to the low of this particular candle because our 20 MA trailing stop loss rule says that, right? So I have exited this particular trade at this low in some loss. Now my next trade was in Voltas. Primary confirmation is there. 2050 MAs are trending up. First candle, mother candle has the highest volume. Inside candle setup. I took a trade at high of this particular candle. Trade got executed. Low was my stop loss. See what happened. Stock remained sideways, but again it has given move, and I got a good profit in this particular trade. Not to our profit, but a good profit in this trade. This was my next trade in Ashok Leland. See here, perfect three candle setup was formed. First candle, second candle, third candle. Primary filter is valid. Yes. 20 MA, 50 MAs are trending up. Green candle has the highest volume out of these three candles. So I took a trade at high of this candle. Low was my stop loss. See what happened. Trade got executed. But in a one candle, my stop loss got hit, right? See what happened if I would have not exited this particular trade. There was a big loss loading. So always remember, Always stick to your stop loss. Another trade was in Tata Motors passenger vehicles. See here, first candle, second candle, primary filter is also valid. First candle, inside candle setup is formed. High of that candle I took a trade. Low is a stop loss. See, I exited this particular trade in minor loss at the end of the day at 3:14 p.m. My next trade was in State Bank of India. Primary filter is valid, right? 20 MA, 50 MA are trending upwards. Mother candle has the highest volume. Inside candle setup formed. At high I took a trade. Low was my stop loss. Trade got executed. I got 2 hour profit here, right? So I booked 2 hour profit as soon as it hit. I booked it. Now again one setup, another setup was formed. See here, first candle, second candle, right? This is again an inside candle setup. 20-50 MAs are also trending up. Green candle has the highest volume. So I took a trade at high of this candle. Low was my stop loss. See what happened. In this candle also, in this trade also, I got a profit. Not 2 hour profit, but a minor profit in this trade. So two trades were taken in State Bank of India. Always remember, if in a stock you took a trade and you got a 2 hour profit, and if you again see a setup is forming, you can definitely take a trade. It's not like that in one stock you can take only one trade. This is the example. I have took a 2 trades in one stock only. See here, primary filter, EMAs are trending up. Inside candle setup formed. Mother candle has highest volume. Took a trade at high of this candle. Low was my stop loss. See what happened. Stock was sideways for the whole day, and I closed the trade at 3:14 p.m. in minor loss. So these were my today's actual stock trades where I booked a minor profit. Success in trading isn't about how many trades you take, it's about how many bad trades you avoid. While the 110 point sideways trap wiped many out, our primary filter kept us safe and even profitable in stocks. Before you go, I have something special to share. We are now officially a family of 300 subscribers. Isn't just a number, it's a group of 300 traders who have decided to choose systematic, disciplined process over gambling and revenge trading. If you want to be a part of this growing community that values capital protection over mindless calls and puts, hit that subscribe button right now and join the 300. I want to make the next video even more helpful for you. Comment below. What is the biggest challenge you face in sideways markets? Or is there a specific topic you want me to cover next? I read every single comment. Stay disciplined, follow the process, and I will see you in the next analysis. Thank you, everyone.